HIPRO Maxclyn is a fully synthetic, premium quality gasoline engine oil, made in Malaysia, and it is certified by SAE 5W-40 and API SMCF. This engine oil is best suitable for all kind of turbocharged gasoline engine. Low speed pre-ignition protection. Today's engines are smaller, more efficient, more advanced and more powerful. But those engines, especially turbocharged gasoline direct injection, excessive pressure within the engine's cylinders, which can cause permanent damage to cylinder walls, pistons, piston rings. But HIPRO Maxclyn fills structural defects in the metal surface of the friction pair, forming a lubricating film with a unique low friction coefficient and increasing engine service life. Fuel economy improvement technology. HIPRO Maxclyn created its fuel economy lubricants to help customers improve the performance of their vehicles and equipment while significantly reducing environmental impact by reducing your carbon footprint. By improving the performance of your engine, HIPRO Maxclyn fuel economy lubricants also significantly reduce your fuel consumption and saving you money. Polymer technology, which fills structural defects in the metal surface of the friction pair, forming a lubricating film with a unique low friction coefficient and increasing your car engine service life. For more information, please visit www.hipro.com.my, or you can also follow our official Facebook page, HIPRO Malaysia.